Hey beauty babes, welcome to my channel. I am Maria, aka Agape Love Girl. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you guys decided to click on this video and join me today. I'm sure some of you guys might be wondering, what is the deal? Overwhelmed with makeup? Like what? Who gets overwhelmed with makeup? And I hate to say it because it seems like insane. I never would have thought I'd get to this point, but a little bit I am. And it's not overwhelmed with makeup like in a super negative way. It's just the sense that like there was a period of time a couple months ago where I was just so overwhelmed, like I felt so uninspired, like I have all this makeup and all this product and yet I couldn't even think to do something on my face or on my eyes. And then the looks I did, I felt like this weren't turning out the way I wanted. I just was struggling. On top of that, many of you guys know I am on several brands PR lists, so I'm constantly receiving new makeup, which is a really cool thing. It's nothing I'm gonna sit here and be like complaining about. I am very thankful for that. I'm so fortunate for that. But you get to a place, at least as an influencer in my circumstance, where you get so much product and I really desire to try those products, give those brands shout outs, be very thankful for the products they send me, and use them, review them, so I could be the most helpful for you. And but there is a point where it's like, I only can film usually 1 day a week, 2 days a week if I'm lucky, if I really make the time for it. And so there's only so many products I can try or even review for you guys on my channel before we're moving on to the next thing, because so many brands are just pumping out products so quickly. And so I tend to have like an overabundance of makeup just piled up, like boxes that I'll open up and check out and see, but then kind of don't take everything out just right away because I want to keep it together so I can remember to try it or use it, review it, whatever. But goodness, it's a lot, and I never would have thought I'd come to a place where I would say that. And I don't want to sound ungrateful by any means, because I'm so thankful. I realize how blessed and fortunate I am to be in this position to receive free goodies, and I love it. I love what I do. I love my job. I love being able to play on makeup. I love sharing that with you. But it can be a bit much. And on top of that, I also get BoxyCharm, which I do pay for myself. And there's times where like there's products that I already have, or I don't need, or maybe I just don't want. And so with all that being said, I just thought it would be really awesome to, in my abundance, give back to you guys. So I'm not sure if you guys thought that that's what this video was about, but I did not want to make this a giveaway video. I didn't want to make it's super obvious that I was going to be doing a giveaway. I don't, and I hope that you guys would not also, mention that this is a giveaway at all. I really want this giveaway to be as a thank you for my, true audience, those who watch my videos, those who interact regularly, just as a little thank you to you guys, because I see you. I try to respond back to all the comments I get, but sometimes it takes me a little bit more time and sometimes I don't get a chance to respond. But I see you guys, I appreciate you guys. I know a lot of you, I remember and recall some of you guys who comment frequently and watch my videos frequently and interact frequently, and I appreciate you guys so much. But I'm sure that there are some people who watch my channel regularly and maybe don't comment. And I get you, I feel you, I understand that too, because I'm kind of that way. I'm more of a lurker. I don't like to think of myself as a lurker. I just, oftentimes when I'm watching YouTube, it's when I'm folding laundry, doing the dishes, or cooking. So I don't always make the time to stop and comment, though I really should on a lot of people's YouTube videos, but I'm a watcher of YouTube as well. So I know that there are people who watch my channel and maybe don't interact, but I still appreciate you. And so this giveaway is for you guys. And of course, if I do happen to gain new followers or new subscribers, new viewers through this, then this is for you as well. If you like my content enough to stay and subscribe and enjoy it, then this is for you. I'm not saying that people can't subscribe and join this giveaway. They certainly can. But I just didn't want to make a big announcement disclaimer and draw a bunch of people just looking for a giveaway. I really wanted this to be for my really awesome, viewers out there, and just to say thank you. So basically what this is a giveaway. I have a drawer that's becoming overflowing actually of makeup products that are brand new. Some of them are from my BoxyCharm boxes, some of them because I've gotten in the past new 2 boxes in 1 month and things like that. Or some of them are just products that I just know I won't use and I've set aside from my own money, my own purchase, my own BoxyCharm. Other items are just overabundance from PR packages. Like there have been PR packages I've received where they send me a full-on palette, but they've already sent it to me before, so it's an extra palette, the same one that I already have. I don't need to keep 2, and I'm not going to sell it. I know it's really frowned upon to sell your PR anyways, but I thought like I don't want to let it go to waste. Oftentimes I do gift a lot of my extra makeup to friends or family or my daughter even, but I have been especially putting away some products, specific products that I thought would be really great for giveaways. So just for this giveaway, because I've had this idea in mind for a couple months now, and I think I'm ready to do it. I think what I'm going to be doing is there will be 2 winners because there's enough stuff. I thought about just doing 1 winner getting a bunch of stuff, but some of the products are kind of like repeat products, so I'm just going to separate it the best I can evenly to 2 packages. There will be 2 winners, and it's gonna be pretty awesome. I will have some footage that I will insert towards the end of this video of the prizes, and I'm sure that by the time the giveaway ends there might even be more products in the prizes, just because I'm constantly being sent stuff. So if there's any overabundance, and these are new products, not products I've used or swatched or anything, they're new products that I haven't used. Maybe the color wasn't for me, or I just knew I wouldn't like it, or whatever reason, or maybe it's an extra, like I said, like a palette that I already have, things like that. Brand new for you guys. And so I'm gonna make it pretty simple. I'm gonna have do it through a Rafflecopter widget or some kind of giveaway widget where I could easily keep track of entries and things like that. I will say that though I wish this could be an international giveaway, I really just cannot afford the shipping on that, and plus there always tends to be issues with shipping out of country with customs and just weird things happening in the past. So I'm sorry to those who maybe are viewers in other countries, but this has to be a US or Canada based giveaway. So if you are in the US or Canada, you can enter, and I do apologize for those who are in other countries. So anyways, that's pretty much it for this. This is just a giveaway video that I'm very excited about, and I hope you guys are too. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the prizes. Alright, I apologize in advance for this video being a little shaky. I'm just holding the camera right here, and I'm not gonna fully take everything out. I thought about doing that, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna leave a little bit of mystery here. But this will be one of the prizes. As you can see, this is the size of the box. Here's the other one, and here's just a quick glimpse inside what is in here. You can see there's brand new things. There's palettes. There's a palette there. Can you guess which one? Lots of things. This is a bag with brushes. They're just all kinds of things, and most likely will be a little bit more by the time this giveaway is live, as well as by the time it finishes. I'm just kind of compiling more and more in here into things as I go. So there's palettes, all kinds of things that I've just gotten in here. So that'll be one of the prizes. The prizes will be random, so I'm going to select 2 winners, and it'll just all randomly ship one box off to one winner and another box off to the other winner. And that will be one separate giveaway where there will be 2 winners. And then I'm also actually adding in a bonus giveaway that's going to be seriously, and anyone can enter. You can enter both giveaways. This will be just a completely separate giveaway because it's literally going to be the lipstick lovers giveaway. I had so many lipsticks, and this originally was going to be split up in those boxes, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do an additional giveaway. This is going to be separate from this one, so you can enter both if you want, like I already said. And this one is literally just lipsticks, like I mean, this is a pretty big box. I'll have it sent in a mailer, a regular mailer, but right now it's just being held in this NYX box. But I've got all kinds of lipsticks in here from Dot 10, from Ciate. I'm pretty sure there's, Urban Decay, all kinds of lipsticks, and I'm sure I will also have more to add to this as well. But this will be the lipstick lovers. giveaway prize, and then those two will be the regular giveaway prizes. So there'll be 3 winners in total, 2 giveaways. So anyways, that's just a little peek at the giveaway. Good luck. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, that's it. And I just want to wish you good luck in the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, beauty babes.